Product name, TikTok Remote Control Kindle App Page Turner. This product is a Bluetooth remote control that can be used to control your phone's camera, video recording, and scrolling. It is compatible with both iOS and Android devices. The device is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry around. The remote control has a long-distance connection of up to 33 feet, which is useful for taking photos or videos from a distance. The device is also equipped with a page-turning function that can be used to turn pages on your Kindle app. Here are some pros and cons of the product. Pros: the device is compatible with both iOS and Android devices. It has a long-distance connection of up to 33 feet. It can be used to control various applications on your smartphone, including TikTok, Kindle app, and Spotify. It has the ability to scroll text for teleprompter apps and record videos. Cons: the device may not be compatible with all smartphones. The device may not work with all applications. The device may have a limited battery life. In conclusion, the Bluetooth remote control is a versatile device that can be used to control various applications on your smartphone. It has a long-distance connection of up to 33 feet and is compatible with both iOS and Android devices. However, it may not be compatible with all smartphones and applications, and it may have a limited battery life. The price of the product is from $19.99. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.